What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my page. Or welcome to my channel or my page. Just wanted to give you guys a close-up shot of my latest tile. I'm liking this tile a lot. I didn't even have to torch it. Look at all the nice, beautiful cell work that's coming out of there. Nice. That's very nice. Very nice. I like it. I like it. Kind of a little crab leg right there, or a crab arm, a little pincer. Just wanted to give a quick shout out. Thank you very much for stopping at my channel. If you like my content, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. Pay attention to all my other videos. I might give away something soon. You never know. Until then, take care, guys. Have a good one.